love the Beamers, the Benz, the Porsches. All of my fans, I know they're supporting. Style with nothing but look at us now. Whoever's supporting, I'm making you proud. Whoever's supporting, I'm making you proud. Salvage Nation, look at the squad. We're up in the foreign line, look at the car. Look at the car.
Hello guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to episode 2 on my 2015 Nissan 370z build, drift car, loads of fun. I'm not even talking. This is the same day as delivery day for me, but it's a new day for you. And when I won this car, I preempted it, so I went ahead and I purchased a whole ton of parts, and I've actually got some of the parts that I need to get this car rolling today. It literally got delivered 2 hours ago. I blitzed out episode 1 and literally I'm just pulling the all-nighter and we're gonna get this car rolling. So let me show you the parts, let me show you the plan, and let's get to work. Let's go. So guys, take a look at this. It looks like a mess, but little over 2 hours ago, I took delivery of this 2015 Nissan 370z, and I was pleasantly surprised with a lot of things that I found. Like I said earlier, I preempted the damage. Have a look at that. These are the pictures that I was seeing. I was seeing it from this angle, and I didn't want to guess what was broken or what wasn't broken. So I just went ahead and I purchased the entire suspension corner, and I'm gonna have some parts left over. Over here in this packet is a complete suspension corner, everything that I will possibly need to get this car rolling today. This car got delivered 2 hours ago, as I said, and we should have it rolling. I'm gonna stay late. It's just gone 7 p.m. I'll probably get home around 10, but it's Saturday tomorrow and I wanna get this car rolling. So we're gonna start by removing the plastics. I'm gonna leave the broken wing for now, leave the broken light for now. I'm not concerned with any of that. I can sort that out in the garage. But for now, I don't like leaving my new cars just sitting here in this state, so I want to get the car rolling. I'm going to remove these plastics and I can get started with, I was considering leaving the suspension strut, but I'm not going to take any risk. I'm just going to go ahead and remove everything, fit the new one on, and once the new suspension is on, we're going to need an alloy, which brings me to what I found in the first episode. Check this out. In episode 1, in the boot, I found this bad boy. Now check this out. I was expecting to have to purchase an alloy, but I didn't, because I was hoping that I found this. And the good thing is, the brake line is intact, and as you can see, it's just snapped off right down in there. Have a look at that. So I've got this replacement part, I've got my brake caliper, so I don't need to worry about that, even though the new parts that I've got should have a brake caliper. I've got the Pirelli P0, which is still pumped up, still in good condition, and I haven't checked. Oh, come on, this is so heavy. Wow, hold on. Guys, take a look at this, man. This is a result. This is a result. This alloy looks to be in great condition. It's got some markings, but there's nothing too crazy that I'm seeing. You can tell that this car probably went into some tree or something. It's got some wood. At a later date, I will get this tire removed, clean all of this out properly, and then refit the tire. But that is a result. I am happy. You don't even know how much of a relief this is to open up this boot and find the complete alloy like this, like complete result. But anyway, I don't want to lose too much light, so let's go. Good morning guys, it's a new morning, and last night I lost time, I lost light, so I just packed it in for the night. It's a new morning, we're gonna get started, but let me show you what I managed to get done last night. So I made quite a lot of progress stripping down all of the suspension components. Have a look at the stabilizer linkage, that's been removed from the stabilizer bar. But what's really interesting, what I want to show you that is the stabilizer linkage is onto this little ball joint, and that is actually part of the bolt for the strut assembly. I just like learning about how different car manufacturers assemble cars, But anyway, we realized that the brake line is broken as well as this ABS line, but I have got some of those parts with the new bits that I bought. I also went ahead and removed all the nuts and bolts for this lower wishbone. So as you can see, the wishbone is on the way out. All I need to do now is remove 1, 2 bolts, and then on the top section there's 3 nuts that are holding the suspension strut in place. Once I remove those, this whole thing should be able to come out, and then I can replace it with the new one and put the wheel on, and then this car should be on all fours again. So man, exciting times. So let's get to work. So I am happy to announce we got out with the old, in with the new. We went ahead, we torqued down all the bolts, all the nuts, all the screws, everything to keep this bad boy in place, and that is definitely in place. I went ahead and I torqued down the top nuts that holds up this suspension strut on the top as well. Everything's all good. I just need to replace that cross brace, which is over there. But we have got a problem. So this is my brake line. It's broken. All the brake fluid has leaked out the system. It's Saturday today. I've called around. No one can get it in for me today. Everyone's telling me next week. So we're gonna have to do a temporary fix on this, as well as this is the inner track rod arm. This is responsible for the steering, and we want to be able to move the car in and out. So I'm going to do a temporary fix on this as well. We're going to get, luckily we've got the other piece, so I'm going to take that off and I'm going to just tack weld it into place. We're not going to be driving the car like that, but we'll just be able to move the car in and out of the garage. But yeah, this is the result. We should be able to get the car rolling, moving under its own power. All I need to do is wait for Akil to come out. He's going to bring the welder, weld that up, and then I've got the wheel to put back onto this new replacement suspension corner. So fingers crossed.
All of my fans are not supporting. Style with nothing but look at us now. Whoever supporting, I'm making you proud. Whoever supporting, I'm making you proud. Salvage nation, look at the squad. Pull up in the front line, look at the car. Look at the car. New whip, yeah. Can't wait till we rich, yeah. No, it's gonna take time, yeah. Don't trip, yeah. I remember being broke, never having nothing else to my name. I remember when no one believed in me. Now they say I'm a star like Billie Jean.
So guys, have a look at that. As you can see, the car started up straight away. The battery's good. We're gonna try to bleed the other 3 wheels and hope that it gives us, even if it's spongy brakes is better than no brakes. But at a very least, the car is back on all 4s and it's gonna be able to roll, and we should have steering. Check the steering. Yeah. Should have steering. It's moving. Is it braking? Yeah. Wow. Whoever even bled anything? Yeah. So guys, there you have it. In less than 24 hours, we got this car delivered. We got the problem sorted. Some of it temporarily, however, it's guaranteed that we've got a rolling, running, driving, steering and braking car. And as you can see, if you just squint your eyes and turn to the side a little bit, you can see past the damage. You just need the headlight, bumper and a wing. Sort out this corner and this is going to be a lovely car. The interior on this car is amazing. But I feel like I've been neglecting the other counterpart. So because I've done enough work on this, I got this to the stage that I wanted to get to. I'm going to leave that for now, and in the next episode we're going to be concentrating on this bad boy. Like I said, I need to wash it, I need to take this wheel off, I need to see what's going on behind there. Yeah, there's a lot of things that I need to do to this one now. I just didn't want this car to be hanging around the garage, not being able to be maneuverable. Today is probably easily the hottest day of the year. It's super hot, so I'm gonna go take a break, get some fluids in the system, and then I'm gonna come back out and hit this car, which is the 2005 350Z. I'm gonna hit that, record that one, and get that one knocked out for you guys as soon as possible. But you're gonna have to wait for the next episode to see what I get up to on the 350. I hope you enjoyed this episode on the 370. So if you like this video, press the like button. If you're new to the channel, you're not subscribed, subscribe to the channel, guys. And like I always say, keep it moving, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed that, why don't you check out one of my previous videos on the left? There's plenty in the playlist. And if you want to know more about the Salvage game, why don't you become a member of Salvage Nation, and I'll be there to guide you along the way. And don't forget, you can follow me on Facebook, TikTok and Instagram if you want to get an inside scoop before YouTube.